Guess the capital. Welcome to the Guess the Capital game. Get ready to test your geography knowledge. Let's go. Instructions to play. We will give you questions about capital cities. Choose the correct answer from the 4 choices given. Whoever answers the most correctly wins. Which is the capital of Uruguay? Option A, Montevideo. Option B, Kabul. Option C, Paris. Option D, Nairobi. Guess. Which is the capital of Uruguay? The correct answer is option A, Montevideo. Which is the capital of Comoros? Option A, Podgorica. Option B, Havana. Option C, Moroni. Option D, Ottawa. Guess. Which is the capital of Comoros? The correct answer is option C, Moroni. Which is the capital of Russia? Option A, Panama City. Option B, Moscow. Option C, Paramaribo. Option D, Oslo. Guess. Which is the capital of Russia? The correct answer is option B, Moscow. Which is the capital of Oman? Option A, Moroni. Option B, Paris. Option C, Muscat. Option D, Islamabad. Guess. Which is the capital of Oman? The correct answer is option C, Muscat. Which is the capital of Chad? Option A, Port of Spain. Option B, Niamey. Option C, Plymouth. Option D, N'Djamena. Guess. Which is the capital of Chad? The correct answer is option D, N'Djamena. Which is the capital of Kenya? Option A, Nairobi. Option B, Ottawa. Option C, Nassau. Option D, Porto Novo. Guess. Which is the capital of Kenya? The correct answer is option A, Nairobi. Which is the capital of Bahamas? Hey. Option A, Panama City. Option B, Nassau. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Montevideo. Guess. Which is the capital of Bahamas? Hey. The correct answer is option B, Nassau. Which is the capital of Myanmar? Option A, Nassau. Option B, Dublin. Option C, Ouagadougou. Option D, Naypyidaw. Guess. Which is the capital of Myanmar? The correct answer is option D, Naypyidaw. Which is the capital of India? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Paris. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Bengaluru. Guess. Which is the capital of India? The correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which is the capital of Niger? Option A, Niamey. Option B, Moroni. Option C, Doha. Option D, Berlin. Guess. Which is the capital of Niger? The correct answer is option A, Niamey. Which is the capital of Cyprus? Option A, Ottawa. Option B, Nicosia. Option C, Oslo. Option D, Oranjestad. Guess. Which is the capital of Cyprus? The correct answer is option B, Nicosia. Which is the capital of Northern Cyprus? Option A, Nicosia. Option B, Panama City. Option C, Phnom Penh. Option D, Paris. Guess. Which is the capital of Northern Cyprus? The correct answer is option A, Nicosia. Which is the capital of Mauritania? Option A, Bern. Option B, Podgorica. Option C, Montevideo. Option D, Nouakchott. Guess. Which is the capital of Mauritania? The correct answer is option D, Nouakchott. Which is the capital of Indonesia? Option A, Paris. Option B, Podgorica. Option C, Jakarta. Option D, Niamey. Guess. Which is the capital of Indonesia? The correct answer is option C, Jakarta. Which is the capital of Greenland? Option A, Nuuk. Option B, Oranjestad. Option C, Phnom Penh. Option D, Bamako. Guess. Which is the capital of Greenland? The correct answer is option A, Nuuk. Which is the capital of Aruba? Option A, Ottawa. Option B, Oranjestad. Option C, Port Louis. Option D, Plymouth. Guess. Which is the capital of Aruba? The correct answer is option B, Oranjestad. Which is the capital of Norway? Option A, Ottawa. Option B, Porto Novo. Option C, Oslo. Option D, Podgorica. Guess. Which is the capital of Norway? The correct answer is option C, Oslo. Which is the capital of Canada? Option A, Beijing. Option B, Ottawa. Option C, Paris. Option D, Mexico. Guess. Which is the capital of Canada? The correct answer is option B, Ottawa. Which is the capital of Burkina Faso? Option A, Podgorica. Option B, Port Louis. Option C, Ouagadougou. Option D, Paris. Guess. Which is the capital of Burkina Faso? The correct answer is option C, Ouagadougou. Which is the capital of Panama? Option A, Panama City. Option B, Paramaribo. Option C, Port-au-Prince. Option D, Montevideo. Guess. Which is the capital of Panama? The correct answer is option A, Panama City. Which is the capital of Suriname? Option A, Paris. Option B, Paramaribo. Option C, Nicosia. Option D, Oslo. Guess. Which is the capital of Suriname? The correct answer is option B, Paramaribo. Which is the capital of France? Option A, Porto Novo. Option B, Washington DC. Option C, Paris. Option D, Phnom Penh. Guess. Which is the capital of France? The correct answer is option C, Paris. Which is the capital of Saint Martin? Option A, Philipsburg. Option B, Guatemala. Option C, Phnom Penh. Option D, Nuuk. Guess. Which is the capital of Saint Martin? The correct answer is option A, Philipsburg. Which is the capital of Cambodia? Option A, Naypyidaw. Option B, Nicosia. Option C, Plymouth. Option D, Phnom Penh. Guess. Which is the capital of Cambodia? The correct answer is option D, Phnom Penh. Which is the capital of Montserrat? Option A, Plymouth. Option B, Ottawa. Option C, Port Louis. Option D, Podgorica. Guess. Which is the capital of Montserrat? The correct answer is option A, Plymouth. Which is the capital of Montenegro? Option A, Paris. Option B, Podgorica. Option C, Panama City. Option D, Nouakchott. Guess. Which is the capital of Montenegro? The correct answer is option B, Podgorica. Which is the capital of Mauritius? Option A, Port Louis. Option B, Niamey. Option C, Nairobi. Option D, Oranjestad. Guess. Which is the capital of Mauritius? The correct answer is option A, Port Louis. Which is the capital of Trinidad and Tobago? Option A, Paris. Option B, Podgorica. Option C, Port of Spain. Option D, Phnom Penh. Guess. Which is the capital of Trinidad and Tobago? The correct answer is option C, Port of Spain. Which is the capital of Haiti? Option A, Ottawa. Option B, Port-au-Prince. Option C, Paramaribo. Option D, Montevideo. Guess. Which is the capital of Haiti? The correct answer is option B, Port-au-Prince. Which is the capital of Benin? Option A, Jakarta. Option B, Canberra. Option C, Panama City. Option D, Port Louis. Guess. Which is the capital of Benin? The correct answer is option D, Port Louis. Who got the most answers right? Congratulations to the winner. Thank you for playing Guess the Capital City. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.